Welcome back students to the last method to find out the cube. In this method we are going to discuss how to find out the cube for any random 2-digit number. In the earlier 3 videos we discussed the method for a specific situation. So there are some similarities in this method and yes, there are some differences also. So let's understand the similarities and the differences. Let's start with the first example. Let's find out the cube for 23. Now just like all the earlier previous method, here also your answer is divided in 4 different numbers. So your last number is going to be 3 cube. So I'm writing 3 cube here, that is nothing but 27. Your first number is 2 cube. So I'm writing 2 cube in the beginning. Your 2 cube is nothing but 8. So this is your first number. Now after this, what about the middle 2 numbers? Here also we have 4 numbers and there are 2 numbers in the middle. How to get those 2 middle numbers? Let's understand that. Now before I explain that, here you have 2 cube in the beginning and here you have 3 cube in the end. So as far as the first middle number is concerned, let's relate it to a particular sequence. We have to do 2 square into 3. That is 4 3s are 12. This is your first middle number. And for the second middle number, it is going to be 2 into 3 square. So 2 into 3 square, that is 2 into 9, that is going to be 18. Now if you look at what I have written on the top of the numbers, it's a particular sequence that you have to follow. You can clearly see here the first power of 2 is 2 cube. Then you have 2 square, then you have 2, that's nothing but 2 raised to 1. So the powers of 2 are decreasing and you can clearly see from here the powers of 3 are in increasing order. So that's a simple way to remember it. So I hope there should not be anything difficult to find out the cube for the next number. Now let's complete the method. This is the first change where we got the first 4 numbers. The next change is very much similar to what we have already done in the previous 3 methods. That is, we'll make the double of the middle numbers. So here the middle number is 12. Let's double it, that's 24. Here the middle number is 18. If you double it, it's 36. So we have done it in all the earlier examples. And the last part is addition of all the numbers. Now while doing addition, again no big change. We will be writing 1 digit at a time, that is units digit at a time, and whatever extra you have, that will go as a carry forward. So here I am writing 7. This 2 will go carry forward to the next number. So let's get the total for the next number. It's 18 plus 36, or 18 plus 2 is 20 and 20 plus 36 is 56. So I am writing 6 here, 5 goes carry forward. Now 12 and 24, that is 36, 36 plus 5, that gives you 41. So 4 goes carry forward to the next number and 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. So your answer for 23 cube is 12167. I hope the method is clear. So let's revise and reconfirm the method for 54 cube. So what is the very first step we do? We have to get our first 4 numbers. So while doing that, the last number is 4 cube. So I'm writing 4 cube, that's 64. The first number is 5 cube, that is 125. Now what about the middle numbers? So let's write the middle number. Here you had 5 cube. So your middle number here is 5 square into 4. And here it's going to be 5 into 4 square. The last number we have already written as 4 cube, right? So 5 square into 4, 5 square is 25. 25 into 4, that's going to be 100. And here 5 into, it's going to be 16. So 16 into 5, let's get the value for that. 16 5 it's 80, right? So I'm writing 80 as my second middle number. So we are done with the first change. The remaining changes are exactly similar to all the previous 3 methods. So the next change is we have to double the middle numbers. So if you double the middle number, this is going to be 200. Here 80, if you make the double of it, that's going to be 160, right? Now after this, we have to add all these numbers and 1 digit, that is units digit at a time. So 4 will come down, right? This 6 goes carry forward to the next number. So now this 80 and 160, this gives you 240. 240 plus 6 will give you 246. So 6 comes down and 24 goes carry forward. For the next total, your 100 plus 200, that's 300 and it's 324. So 4 will come down and 32 will go as a carry forward to the next number. Let's add this. Your 5 plus 2, 7 and 12 plus 3 is going to be 15. Your answer is 157464. If you want, you can verify it on the calculator, but this is what we have as a method for any random 2-digit number. So I hope you enjoyed learning all the methods to find out the cube. I have a simple exercise for you for your practice, so do complete it before you move on to the next method and the next video.